he's a Buddha. Yeah, the point is that. He said everything is on the table. Well, I know that